Hey guys, it's Pauline with yet another haul. I'm thinking this is probably my Olive and Orchard because I think that's the only other thing besides my Ellie Edwards box, and I don't think it even shipped today. So I think that must be what this is. All right, so let's see what we got. All right. Yep. There it is. Now, I'm not in any way an artist, but I saw an unboxing of the Halloween box, and I just had to have it. But I went to the website, and I could swear that when I first clicked on the website, there was some left, and I went to looking at it and trying to see if that was something I really wanted and all that kind of stuff. And then I went to buy. By the time I decided I wanted to buy it, it said that it was out of stock. And I'm like, that wasn't there before. But I can't be 100% certain, but I'm pretty sure it was in stock. And then by the time I made up my mind, it was out of stock. Okay, so I ended up just getting the starter kit and then some markers. Okay, so they have some kind of starter kit. You get, when it's your first order, you get like 15% off. And you have to get this in a bundle. And these are like the worst looking washi ever. But these, they had these, and they had something else. But oh, a sticker sheet, and they had something else though I probably would have wanted, but it was out of stock. So, and I tried to switch these out with the rest, with something else that was on their site. You can do it, but it won't be part of the bundle. So I took it, I ended up getting this back. But that is like the worst washi ever. But anyway, I'll use it somehow. Okay, and then we got this notebook. Now, they had a different notebook, but you can switch out the notebook. Because what I did was I went and I searched the notebook that I wanted, and I put it in the basket, and then I deleted the one that they had that came with the bundle, and I still got the discount. I tried that with the washi, and I didn't get the discount, so you can switch out the notebook. All right. Alrighty. It's so pretty. Even the box is pretty. So, I am definitely going to be keeping this box. So I thought that I would follow along with, even though I'm actually going to try to do a October daily, I'm actually going to try to follow along with my my little journal. That's journal. Can't talk right now. With Hiba. I love the way stuff she does. I'm nowhere near her level, but I'm gonna try. And so I thought that I would use this to try to follow along with her. I can't draw or anything, but I got stamps. All right, isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. Now this is cloth. I don't know what I expected, but I didn't expect it to be cloth. All right, I guess I thought it was vegan leather or something. But anyway, but you did get the gold foiling on the edges. And just the pages, and they're not supposed to bleed and all that. And it lays flat. All right, so we got that. And then, so the kit comes with, I can't remember now because I did some switching out, but I think it does come with some markers. And then I bought some because you had to reach a certain price in order to get free shipping, because the shipping was terrible. So anyway, I picked some markers. I think that's what happened. This is Amanda Rach Lee's markers. All right. And I used to follow her a lot, but then, I don't know, I fell off the wagon with her. But anyway, I mean, that sounds like I got mad. I didn't. It's just, you know, she's quit coming in from my feed. And so, that's really why. All right. Let's see. All right. So we got the fall selection. And I didn't even know what these were. So I went to researching on YouTube, and these are paint markers. And you have to shake them, you have to press them. And there they are. I'm not gonna take the time to do that, but those are nice. They say one of these is empty, so you can blend two colors together. I'm not gonna be doing all that. All right. So we got that. And then we got this. So pretty. I like that I have a keepsake tin that I can keep them in. And these were on sale. And they have another box that I had my eye on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it, but it's a Valentine's Day box. It's like half price. And it's got, so we got some extra nibs. So I tried to make sure that I didn't get the same colors. Yeah, so they're different. All right, and that is it, y'all. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.